Alright, yo. J-Rome. Jeezy. Nigga, say what up. This is how you know we some crazy ass fucking Puerto Ricans from New York. You see all this fucking snow? We walking all the way to fucking hotels just to buy some fucking fitteds.
Frozen in this motherfucker.
What happened, nigga?
Frozen in this bitch.
Look at this. We about to get hit by a motherfucking car.
We're walking in the middle of the highway.
What is this shit? Highway, nigga. This is Father Capadano, nigga. You see all this fucking snow? Look at that. Look how fucking deep that shit is. Look. Yo, here, come here. Hold this shit. So I can show these niggas how deep this shit is. Hold by my foot, nigga. Look at this. This shit go deeper. What the fuck is that?
It's like 2.5 feet.
Cars rolling by, trying to see what the fuck. While we walking in the middle of the fucking street, now I got snow on my fucking boot. I'm tight. Mad tight.
Walking in the middle of the boulevard for days in this bitch.
Look, you see the snow blowing, my nigga? Look at the snow going that way. You really can't see it. Matter of fact, you can see it over there. Mountains about snow, nigga. I feel like I'm in a Pinocchio's, whatever that shit is called. Yeah, nigga, I said it Pinocchio's. Nigga, what up? Say something, nigga, what up? Anyway, you got something to say, my nigga?
Yeah, I got something to say. Alright, listen. I'm on fire like an arsonist. Run my key across the side of your car while you parking it. You looking like a retarded bitch. You so dumb. You wake up, look in the mirror, and start arguing. I could easily diss you. I mean to offend you. You about as harmful as a broken off piece of a pistol.
This nigga's always offending somebody. Fuck your life, nigga. Fuck your life, nigga. Anything else you gotta say, nigga?
I'll bury you up to your eyes in a pile of dirty diapers.
What the fuck, nigga? Yo, this shit is wild, my nigga. Look at all this shit. Man, fuck, look how deep that snow is, son. That's how you know two Puerto Ricans from New York should not be fucking walking around in this shit. You feel me? I'm cold as hell. My ears are cold.
That's gangster walking in a blizzard for 2 minutes, nigga.
Word up, nigga. Like, what's up with that? You got some crazy ass. You got some crazy ass white lady chilling there waiting for God knows what. She probably waiting for a bag of dope right now. Yeah, I said in a bag of dope, nigga. What up? What you know about the bag of dope, nigga? You got that sugar?
Got that sugar?
What happened, nigga?
Got that sugar. That sugar.
Yo, you about to get hit by a car.
Want that sweet and low, nigga.
Man, this shit is fucking boring as hell, man. Walking around in this fucking cold ass weather, son. Hi, how you doing? Niggas is reckless. Say, yo, what's the name of the team, my nigga?
Down for whatever, nigga, you already know.
Word.
Down to walk for days in this frozen motherfucker.
Damn, we expanding all around, right, nigga? Let niggas know what it is, son.
New York, Staten Island, South Beach, everywhere, nigga.
Brooklyn, New York, as well. Bronx, New York. Some parts of Maryland, but that's besides the case right now. I need to travel out there, expand my shit out there. By the way, D4W is my shit. You ain't heard about it? You ain't need to know about it. Real talk. Alright? Again, with this cold ass weather. Look at all this fucking snow, man. Man, I'm coke can fucking have fun in this shit. Fucking coke feet, nigga. Yo, where Diego at, nigga? Diego from South Beach, nigga. What up? You already know what your deal is, son. You know your story. You know your story, nigga. You know his story.
Wasn't me, nigga.
I didn't say shit neither, nigga. I'm just letting you know, son. Niggas know your story. You about to get hit by a car, nigga. Look at this shit.
Got hit by 20 cars already.
What happened, nigga?
Almost got hit by 20 cars already.
Oh, I'm about to die. Look at this shit. I'm falling all around. What up, nigga? Say something. Snipe the camera. Damn, nigga. We not in your way. You could drive. Damn, son. These slow ass cars, nigga. What, you think we're gonna rob your car? That's the worst thing to do. Two ghetto ass Puerto Ricans walking down the block. Whoa. And you wanna slow the fuck down, nigga. You don't know the fuck we're gonna break into your car, knock you out, do some Grand Theft Auto shit, nigga. What the fuck's wrong with you? Don't stop your car. Keep driving, nigga. Stupid ass motherfuckers. Real talk, nigga. Damn, son, it's mad cold out here. My ears are probably red as a fucking Rudolph's nose. Actually, you wanna know why Rudolph bring his nose is so red? Cause that nigga was sniffing too much cocaine up there. Fucking sniffing cocaine with Santa Claus and all the other else. Real talk, nigga.
Damn, son.
What?
Yo, I don't even sniff no coke and I can't feel my face in this bitch.
Word, I can't feel my face neither. Ain't nobody do that coke shit. I mean, white right there, but that's besides the point, you know what I mean? Who that? You don't know you, nigga. Who you? Nobody. But yeah, man, like I said, fuck your life. Ain't nobody care about you. If you ain't D4W or family members of the members from D4W, y'all ain't shit. Unless you some king niggas that I'm cool with, then that's a different story. But y'all ain't hear that from me. But cold as fuck, the wind is blowing all in my face and shit. I sound type homo, no homo. Now we about to walk past a restaurant called Toto's. But if you look quick at it, that shit said look like it said Toto.
Toto.
That's Spanish for pussy, nigga. Real talk. Nigga, still got that Christmas lights up, nigga. What's up with that? Nigga, it's over Christmas. Oh, over my eye.
Niggas had Christmas lights up since before Thanksgiving, nigga.
Niggas that Christmas lights out for Halloween, nigga. What the fuck is that about, nigga?
White motherfucker.
Yo, you wanna hear some funny shit? Tell me how my mom turned around to my dad because my dad wanted to get LED Christmas lights. She turned around and said, "Whoa, them shits look like Easter lights." My dad turned around and said, "Who puts lights out on Easter?" Who says that? Who puts lights, really, who puts lights out on Easter? I know I don't. I think I don't even put a fucking inflatable bunny in front of my crib. The fuck makes you think I'm gonna put lights out? Nigga, this year I didn't even put lights out on my Christmas shit, nigga. What's up with that? This nigga needs to move the fuck over. Damn, son. How long is this fucking shit going? 7 minutes and 21 seconds. This nigga smoking crack.
Word, niggas know to move over for us in this motherfucker.
Look. Let's see if you can get it. Damn, I can't reach it.
Toto's, nigga.
Nigga, that's not Toto's. That's Toto, nigga. Fucking... Look like the Pennsylvania woods right there, nigga. Like, nigga, some horror movie shit, son. What is that? Puerto Ricans and the niggas always die first. Y'all white bitches are stupid. Y'all bitches fall down and stay there waiting for the nigga to come like 2 feet ahead behind you, and then you want to get the fuck up and run. You stupid white bitch. Fall down, get the fuck up. The only reason why us Puerto Ricans and us niggas die first is because niggas is racist. Mike Myers is nigga in a white boy in a white mask, pale white mask, killing Busta Rhymes. Nigga, Busta Rhymes is the only nigga that in a horror movie I seen last. Every other nigga, or speaking a horror movie, dies first. What the fuck is that about, nigga? Kill the white person first. Next person that makes a horror movie, kill the white man first, nigga. Real talk. I know I look light-skinned and he look light-skinned, but we all Rican. I'm most part white. That's why I can talk shit about white people. And I can talk shit about niggas. And I can talk shit about Puerto Ricans.
So you already know, I'm 100% Puerto Rican to this motherfucker. Got my mangoes and machetes, nigga. Mangoes and coffee beans, motherfucker.
Real talk, nigga. What up?
What you know about that?
Look. Now you can see the Totos. Oh, you can't see that good Toto.
What you know about it? You even see me out here?
Yeah, nigga, I see you fine, nigga.
I mean, I don't know why you want to move out to Texas and shit, like, meth heads running around and shit, running up to you, boom! But oh, let my brain is gone. Want your kids, like, Daddy, why you do that? Well, I don't know, son, apparently his brain was gone. You gotta explain to the kid that his brain was gone. How you explain to your kid, oh, I thought that's his brain was gone. Boom.
Do that again, nigga. Do it to the camera, though.
Yo,
yo, talk about the meth heads in New York though, nigga. Where you go, nigga? Oh.
Talk about meth heads, nigga. There ain't even no meth in New York, nigga. Not that I would know nothing about that. Bro, I don't know nothing about that.
How do you make it? Alright, what about Special K heads?
Now that's just on a whole nother level. You talk about some crazy shit right there.
I talk about the coke heads in New York.
Coke heads. Like they ain't even know, licking their lips every 5 seconds like they ain't even know they was there. Like, nigga, your lips was there 5 seconds ago. They gonna be there now, nigga. What you licking your lips so much for, nigga?
Stay the fuck off of drugs, you stupid drug addicts, motherfuckers.
They can't even feel their face. That's why, yo, you wanna get some head, you go to a crackhead ass bitch.
In the projects.
Word, you go to the South.
You know one in hand, nigga?
You go to
What's her name, nigga?
You go to the South Beach projects.
Shout out to New York.
I'm not gonna tell you which building, and I'm not gonna tell you which door. You go to the South Beach projects, pick yourself up a crackhead bitch, give that bitch $5. Fuck that, you don't even gotta give them $5. You just tell them you got a rock and they on your dick, nigga.
Switching from one pipe to the other.
Word, nigga, they got the motherfucking precinct right there. That bitch will suck your dick right in front of the precinct, nigga. This is crazy.
Word, son. Crackheads in New York are reckless, son.
They can't feel their face, they just go in on that dick, nigga. They just go in on that dick.
Word, nigga, like dead ass, son. Niggas is reckless out here, man.
Popping it up and down in their face, riding it up and down like, oh, my brain is gone. This is crazy. What the fuck is that, nigga?
Look at that. Look at that.
Nigga, that's some crazy shit.
Car's coming.
I'm about to run over there like my brain is gone.
Yo.
Nigga, my brain must be gone. I'm sitting here walking in this motherfucking snowstorm in this motherfucker. Been
Real
walking
talk.
Days in this
My hands are cold from holding this camera, son. So
that's
you know.
4:30 p.m. and I'm still walking in this motherfucking snowstorm. Oh, to get some fitteds. Yeah, we got the fitteds now, nigga. That's gangster walking in a motherfucking snowstorm.
Real talk, son. It's too cold for this shit. Real talk, man. But all jokes aside, y'all drug addicts need to stay the fuck off of drugs. Go on intervention, go to rehab, go to detox, go to jail, get clean in jail. I don't know. Get the fuck off the drugs, nigga. Real talk. Say the serenity prayer. Not that I know.
Alright, son. Find a better new way to live, nigga.
NA, AA,
Find a higher power in this motherfucker.
Find the God of your understanding, motherfucker. I'm not supposed to be saying NA or NA, but fuck it.
Ain't a motherfucking gratitude list in this bitch.
Make amends to all the people you hurt.
We're grateful in this bitch. It ain't even Thanksgiving, nigga.
Yo, I'm out. My hands are cold. I'm J Rome, repping D4W all day, every day.
It's fucking cold, nigga. Peace. It's Jesus.